National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Specifically, Pottstown Airport reported almost 1 inch of rain in about 20 minutes. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the areas of heaviest rain. Some locations that could experience flooding include Pottstown, Birdsboro, East Greenville, Elverson, Valley, Bechtelsville, Green Lane, New Morgan, Gilbertsville, Chadarville, Stowe, Boyertown, Pennsburg, Red Hill, Pottsgrove, South Pottstown, Amity Gardens, Sanatoga, Kenworth, and Halfway House. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The current time is 2:20.